Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the chapter 3 of class 5 from the book of Ancient Clouds. Okay, in this chapter, the chapter name is Tables in a Word 2016, and in this chapter we are going to learn about what is the difference between list and tables, list versus table, and next topic is we learn about what is the table, introduction of table, then we learn about insert, how to insert a row and columns in a table, and delete a row and columns in form of tables. कैसे डिलीट करेंगे उसको सर्च सीखेंगे हम लोग. नेक्स्ट है मर्जिंग. व्हाट इज ए मर्जिंग सेल, मर्ज सेल होता क्या है इसके बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज स्प्लिटिंग. व्हाट इज स्प्लिटिंग, स्प्लिटिंग होता क्या है इसके बारे में हम समझेंगे. एंड लास्टली वी लर्न अबाउट द टेबल स्टाइल. इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स. ओके, हमारे पास एक लिस्ट है और एक टेबल है. हम लोग समझते हैं कि लिस्ट और टेबल में से कौन सा बढ़िया तरीका है डाटा को रिप्रेजेंट करने का. देखिए यहाँ पे हमने लिस्ट बनाया. लिस्ट में जो भी 5 क्लास के जो बच्चे हैं जो बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं उसका लिस्ट है. फिर क्लास 6 का है. अब और सेम इसको हमने टेबल के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट किया है. यहाँ पे देखिएगा टेबल जो है लिस्ट के कंपेयर में वेरी इजी है, अंडरस्टैंडेबल है. सो दिस वे इज वेरी इजी टू रिप्रेजेंट इन द डाटा. रिप्रेजेंट. अब हम लोग समझते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन टू टेबल. टेबल होता क्या है, व्हाट इज टेबल. द मेथड ऑफ presenting data in a format of row and columns is known as a tabular format. Look here, this is the example. We represent the data in the table format. This format is known as a table. Okay, it has row. Row is the horizontal representation of data. Horizontal means these types. Okay, sleepy line. Okay, sleeping line is this is known as row. And the column is the vertical arrangement of data. This type of representation is vertical line is straight line, a straight line, and this is one is a row. Clear? Here we are going to learn about how to delete a row and columns. Okay. These are the steps to delete a row and columns. First, if you want to delete a columns, you need to just click on the entire column which you want to delete and click on delete. Delete columns. Next is the, if you want to delete a row, then you select the entire row which you want to delete and click on delete row. Delete row. Now I am going to give an example to understand it very clearly. Look here. This is example of table. If we want to delete entire whole this row, we want to delete, firstly we select this row and right click here, right click and choose delete row. Delete row. And if you want to delete a column like this one, same process, select this and right click here and choose delete columns. Okay, now come to the next topic. Here we are going to learn about merging versus splitting cell. First of all, we are understanding what is merge and what is splitting. To combining two or more cells into a single cell, this is known as a merging cell. And the step to apply merging in a Word 2016 is select the cell which you want to merge and go to the layout and click on merge cell. Look here, this is the example. Look here, this is a cell tables. If we want to add two these tables, so we can need to select both of these table and go to the layout tab and click on merge. Then our table will be merged. Okay, next is the split cell. Dividing one cell into two or more cells is known as a splitting cells. There are the steps to follow do the splitting cells. Select the cell which you want to split, click on layout, then split cell, change the number of columns and number of columns rows which you want to divide it, and click ok. Look here, this is the example. This one is a table which you want to split. Suppose that this is a cell which I want to split it. So first of all, we can select the cell which I want to split, this one, and we set the number of rows and columns and click on split cell, and our cell will divide it into two parts. Okay. Today we have learned about table style. The table style, to format a table, is known as a table style. It means formatting is changing the font of the text inside the table, aligning the text inside the table, and formatting the border, etc. All of these are considered as a formatting of a table. It is considered as a table style. How to apply table style in your document? Follow these steps. First of all, you need to click on the table design tab, then click on the drop down options that look like as that is available on inside the table design, and choose the style which you want to select and click ok.